awesome! Oh!
There's a piece that landed over there.
That was the lid.
Maybe we should have gone live.
I knew it! We should have been live!
That's alright, we can just tell them they gotta go watch our YouTube to watch it.
Oh my god, it's gone! Paul?
That doesn't count.
That does not count. Why not? Because you can't double tap a pigeon. You gotta hit it the first try. Paul? Oh, that's easy. Alright, well, 2 for 3 right now. Notice he's put the pressure upon you, elderly. You got your contacts and you're gonna be able to see them.
These are my stun glasses.
He's ready. Paul? That's my favorite, when you hit them so they split and still fly.
Yeah, then you're supposed to clean it up.
Yeah, that's what the semi-autos are. Ta-ta-ta-ta-ta! Last one. 4 for 5? 3?
Paul!
That's a good one.
That's a 3-er.
Pressure's on! Pressure's on. Here comes the...
We're ready. We're ready.
Alright, here we go.
Go ahead, whenever you're ready.
Oh. 1 for 1.
I can't even tell if it's getting it.
I want to fly my drone at it.
Whenever.
That'll go over well. Hey, buddy! 2. I like it.
Maybe I'm just tossing it better.
Well, I mean, they're right there. What are these things? What are these birds?
The one you shot at looks like you tried to dive something.
Is that 3 for 3 or 4
That
for
was
4?
4.
I can't see now. Shouldn't have shot at the sun.
Whenever moves.
Alright, so can't miss.
I know, but
Alright, we're good.
no, there's no losers.
No, nowadays everybody's a winner.
Yeah.
Pull.
Not here.
We get participation trophy.
Yeah, I was
Oh, you can't miss again, buddy.
everybody gets a trophy. Yeah.
We're all
Something
winners.
Out at the end of this, Jake.
No,
I need something. Those are prickers.
I believe in winners.
They're all winners.
Pull.
Alright, so Hawk versus me.
With the pattern master. It's gonna be unfair.
You guys doing 2 on 3?
Yeah. You want me to chuck these little guys, or you want me to?
I don't care. Are we going? We're good?
You let me know.
Paul.
Make it hard for him.
Paul.
Oh, great. Good luck.
Paul.
Oh. That's unfair, dude.
See what I'm...
All right, so we just got done. We just got done with the shotgun round, and I took the W on that. So now we got the fun round, and this is 1 pounder right here, and we got Matt Marr getting ready to shoot it. So, all right, whenever you're ready. Hey! See, 1 pounders are not that bad.
1 pound.
How did that feel?
That was fun. That was awesome.
All right, now we got Mustafa getting his cherry popped. Here we go. Sunday Gunday, boys. Oh, this is gonna be good.
I shoot that baby.
Which one? Where's the other one?
There's one over there, and then there's one out in that. One in it.
Yeah,
Which one are you shooting?
I'm gonna shoot this one. It's in this.
All right.
Straight out. You can't really see it.
Oh, I see her. I got her on the camcorder here. All right, now we got pro staff Aaron Germain. This is how we weed whack.
I saw the bullet hit the little spark.
This is how we weed whack here.
All right, give him the rundown.
We're good?
Yeah.
All right, so we got the whole BCO boy team here. We're live, and we've had shotgun contest. We didn't do the golf balls like we wanted to do, but for filming reasons, we had to go with pigeons. After this, we're gonna go into a pistol shootout and see how that goes. But we wanted to go live for this part because we're actually going to do a giveaway from our YouTube video from today. If whoever guesses the correct amount in pounds of Tannerite that we are shooting throughout this whole video, they're gonna win the giveaway. So right now we got a dishwasher way down there. We got all the filming equipment on it, so this should be pretty good. I'm not gonna say how much pounds we got in there, but it's gonna be pretty nice. And as you can tell, when you're doing this, always be back. As the whole team, my cousin Tyler, and Padre is way back there. So, y'all ready? All right.
All right, here we go, guys. Jake's getting set up for the shot.
That is awesome! Oh!
The piece that landed over there.
That was the lid!
Maybe we should have gone live. A little bit less this time. We got a big old tractor tire. About 8 pounds of Tannerite, so should be a good one.
In case it actually works. Of course. Of course.
That was a lot louder than the other one.
Yeah.
I love it. When it's not on cam, they blow up. They're gone now. Really dead eye. And there goes the thread on that. Woohoo!